Hi guys! What's up? Kunting paalala na no, pagka Ford C-Max ito guys, 2012 model. Ang sisti kasi nito, nag-leaking yung kanyang heater core. Up there. It's very dark. Okay. Kita ko sa dito. Leaking yung kanyang heater core. Leaking yung kanyang heater core dito sa connector, core connector dyan banda sa labas yan. Yan ang firewall. So that's the firewall na doon nagtatagos yung heater core connector dito. And then ang siste it's leaking. The old connector is leaking, as you can see here. So my advice, if you like kind of changing the heater core, you must change also the heater connector, the hose pipe assembly for the heater core, because I did this changing the heater core like 2 months ago, and then it has a leaking because the old o-ring in here on the heater core was worn out. So it is very advisable when you're changing the heater core on the Ford C-Max. You have to also change the hose assembly, because there will be no leaking anymore. So ang siste, heater core is very hard to put in place, like plug in. That is locked in position now, as you can see. I did that lock position now. Very hard. See the arrow. If you can see the arrow, I will focus the arrow. Barely you cannot see the arrow, which it has like plastic thing on it. That's the thing here. See the arrow? So that's the lock position. Now when you unlock that one, you have to twist like counterclockwise, and counterclockwise is the open position, and then you have to push at the very end, so it will lock the inside with the o-ring inside. And then once it's locked in, you have to twist clockwise like so. That's lock position now. See the arrow that go against each other, so that means that's lock. Okay, and that's the, I'm not sure if I'm not mistaken, that's the outlet. That's the outlet of the heater core. That's the outlet of the heater core. And we are going now the inlet of the heater core, which I did it. The outlet is very hard. So the inlet is on the other side, as you can see. See, it has a slot. It has a slash on the pipe. It is downward, and the outlet is upward, and that was downward. So we're gonna do the inlet now, and that is, believe me, that is really hard, really hard to place. So when you're changing the heater core, please change the whole thing, like the hose pipe and everything, so it will not leaking, because in the long run the o-ring inside there is kind of disposable o-ring, and it is special o-ring actually. Little o-ring wouldn't work, so it has to replace the whole hose assembly, new assembly. So we're gonna do now the inlet hose pipe. Inlet. So I'll show you here. I'll show you this is the special one here. This is the hose assembly. And as you can see here the hose clip itself, it has arrow against each other. So that arrow represents that is to lock. See that? That's the lock position. Now to unlock, to right clockwise away from the arrow like that. So that's the open position. So we're gonna stay it like that, open position, until we put it in. And then there is a slot on the pipe. And see that? That's like slot there that will goes onto the pipe. That is downward slot, as you can see. So we're gonna do that, and then so there is our target there is this one here. So it has to be like 12 o'clock, like that. 12 o'clock, so it will get in. Otherwise, it will not lock on if it is not pushed in into the slush there. As you can see. So I might not be covering the video during the installation because it's really hard and it's a limited space, as you can see. So I have to do without the video at the moment because it's very hard to cover video when the space is too tight. Okay, so guys, the connector is on now, as you can see. Believe you, there is no easy job here. Very hard to put in place. So what you gonna do, you have to need a pry bar in order to push, because your hands cannot get inside. So you need the pry bar to push the connector like that, push the hose pipe. Obviously push, and when it's done, just like that, push. And you have to use the long flathead. See it properly. Okay, as you can see there now. So that's the thing there, and then that's loose position at the moment, like it is not locked at the moment. So now we're gonna lock it by meaning this, using the okay, looks like you got it. Yeah, it's locked. So we will see the arrow. Let's see the arrow here. It's very I put the markings on it. motor than it is on the position, you see. Over there. It's lock. Okay. So good. Good. And then we're gonna try to pull it out. If it's not falling out, then that means it is locked. Obviously. Ito now. So try to pull out the pipe. So it's hard to pull out. It's in lock position. So it's lock. And then the rest of it is just a simple thing. It's just over here, like so, like that. That's the thermostat housing in there, the inlet and outlet of the thermostat housing. So the inlet is the hose connector is locked in place. And make sure you hear the click. Also this one, make sure you hear the click. You plug it in. Okay. Gotta push it down. It's a click. So it means it will lock in place. So good. Together and let's start the engine. We'll see. So guys, all in. We'll start the engine and then road test and then we'll see if there is a leaking. Okay. Start. Yeah. Put the heater on, yeah. Heater on, the fan, full blast. Drive the car. So that's guys, very crazy job. You're doing the heater cooler hose pipe assembly. Done. So okay. Tomorrow we have a day off tomorrow, Sunday. So we have a big event tomorrow, day off. So see you next week. Maybe there is a timing belt next week. Booking. Thank you. Bye bye. See you for more.